Welcome to the stage, the future. Today, we dive headfirst into 5 tech trends that will blow your mind in 2024. A roller coaster ride through the technological marvels that are about to redefine our world. First up, imagine an AI not just as a tool, but as a companion, capable of understanding, interacting, and even challenging your thoughts. Yes, sentient AI is no longer science fiction, but a reality. From personalizing education to revolutionizing healthcare, the potential benefits are immense, but remember, every coin has 2 sides, and so does this AI-driven future. Next, we delve into the world of biohacking. It's a realm where we're not just users of technology, but also becoming technology. From editing genes to implanting bionic limbs, we're on the cusp of a DIY cyborg revolution. With great power comes great responsibility, so we must carefully navigate the ethical terrain that this revolution presents. But the future doesn't just offer us a physical transformation. Welcome to the era of the Metaverse. From virtual concerts to globally connected workspaces, the Metaverse promises to blend the physical and virtual worlds like never before. But beware, as this new world also brings potential challenges like privacy concerns and addiction. Our 4th trend is the rise of quantum computing. Say goodbye to your traditional computers and hello to a world where quantum physics drives computation. From revolutionizing drug discovery to reshaping materials science, quantum computing is set to redefine our understanding of computation. Finally, as we stare down the barrel of climate change, the green tech revolution offers a glimmer of hope. With fusion power, bio-solar panels, and AI-driven climate forecasting, technology is stepping up as our superhero in the fight against environmental degradation. As we close this journey through the tech trends of 2024, one thing is clear: the future isn't just coming, it's here, and it's spectacularly mind-blowing. So what do you think? Which trend excites you the most? Join the conversation, hit that subscribe button, and let's explore the future together. Because in this rapidly evolving tech landscape, your voice is essential. Here's to the future.